Certainly. Walnuts are packed with essential nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits. Here are 25 health benefits associated with consuming walnuts. 1. Heart health. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. 2. Lower cholesterol levels. The healthy fats and antioxidants in walnuts help reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol levels and increase HDL, good, cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. 3. Improved blood pressure. Walnuts contain potassium, magnesium, and other minerals that help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. 4. Brain health. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in walnuts support brain function, improve cognitive performance, and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. 5. Mood enhancement. Walnuts contain serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite, helping improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. 6. Reduced inflammation. The antioxidants and polyphenol in walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of chronic diseases. 7. Improved gut health. Walnuts are a good source of fiber and prebiotics, which support digestive health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and preventing constipation. 8. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, walnuts can aid in weight management due to their high fiber and protein content, which promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. 9. Bone health. Walnuts contain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 10. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in walnuts have anti-cancer properties, helping inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. 11. Improved sleep quality. Walnuts contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles, helping improve sleep quality and duration. 12. Skin health. The vitamin E, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy complexion. 13. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of walnuts is associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes, thanks to their beneficial effects on blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. 14. Eye health. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and lutein, which help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. 15. Improved fertility. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in walnuts may help improve fertility in both men and women by supporting reproductive health and hormone balance. 16. Liver health. Walnuts contain compounds like ellagic acid and polyphenol, which help protect the liver from damage, improve liver function, and reduce the risk of liver diseases. 17. Anti-aging effects. The antioxidants and nutrients in walnuts help protect against cellular damage, oxidative stress, and premature aging, promoting youthful-looking skin and overall vitality. 18. Healthy hair. The omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and biotin in walnuts support hair growth, prevent hair loss, and improve the strength and texture of hair. 19. Improved athletic performance. Walnuts are a convenient and nutritious snack for athletes and active individuals, providing a source of energy, protein, and essential nutrients to support performance and recovery. 20. Reduced risk of stroke. Regular consumption of walnuts is associated with a lower risk of stroke, thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support cardiovascular health. 21. Immune system support. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in walnuts help strengthen the immune system, protect against infections, and reduce the duration and severity of colds and flu. 22. Detoxification. Walnuts contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that support detoxification processes in the body, helping eliminate toxins and waste products and promoting overall health and well-being. 23. Reduced risk of asthma. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in walnuts have anti-inflammatory effects that may help reduce the risk of asthma and improve lung function in individuals with respiratory conditions. 24. Improved cognitive function. Regular consumption of walnuts is associated with better cognitive function, memory, and learning ability, thanks to their neuroprotective effects and ability to support brain health. 25. Longevity. Incorporating walnuts into your diet may contribute to a longer and healthier life by providing essential nutrients, antioxidants, and beneficial fats that support overall health, vitality, and longevity. In summary, walnuts are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and beneficial fats that offer numerous health benefits, ranging from heart health and brain function to weight management and skin health. Including walnuts in your diet on a regular basis can help promote overall health, well-being, and longevity.